Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Indeed account in 2026. Yeah, if you're no longer using the platform, you can permanently close your account in just a few steps. First, open the Indeed app or website and log into your account. You need access to your account before you can delete it. Next, click on your profile icon and go to Account Settings. This is where all your account controls are located. Now scroll down and look for Account Preferences or Account Management options. After that, look for the option that says Close Account or Delete Account. Yeah, this is the option you'll need to proceed. Next, Indeed will ask you to confirm your decision. They may also ask why you're leaving before continuing. Now enter your password to verify your identity. This step is required to protect your account from unauthorized deletion. Finally, confirm the deletion. Yeah, once completed, your Indeed account will be permanently removed. And that's how to delete your Indeed account in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you complete the process easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.